How to check out domain or site authority of any website on the internet. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Phil from Practical Media 101. In today's short tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to check out the domain authority of any website. For this purpose, we're going to be using the SEMrush tool. So if you wish to go ahead and sign up to SEMrush, you can use my link below in the description to do so, and you will get a 7-day free trial of the same. Now before getting started with today's tutorial, make sure that you like, subscribe and turn on your bell notifications. Now without any further ado, let's get started. So first step is to go to whatever website that you wish to check the domain authority of. Let's say I want to check out the domain authority of this particular website right here. So I'm just going to come up here and I'm going to copy the domain address. I'm going to go back to SEMrush. Then I'm going to go into this little icon right here and select domain overview. From there, I'm going to copy paste the URL that I copied right here. And then I'm going to keep this tab to be worldwide because I want to check out the worldwide domain overview for this particular domain. Then I'm going to click on search. So as you can see, the authority score of the website will be shown here. And you can also see a bunch of other metrics associated to this website on this little dashboard. So that was a quick tutorial on how to check out the domain authority of any website. If you like this video, then consider subscribing to the channel, turning on your bell notifications, doing all that good stuff. Thank you so much for tuning in. Have a wonderful day.